Hi, I'm Chloe from GroupTogether and I'm going to be showing you how to set up a gift on our AU site. So when you go to our start page and you begin, it's going to give you two options. You can create a group card, collect money, or both, or buy a series of e-gift cards. Now today we're going to set up a card and a money collection, meaning we're going to collect signatures and contributions of money, which ultimately will provide us with a card with messages and a gift. So today, say we're setting up a farewell. The next page will take us to a series of prompts that we need to fill out. For instance, the name will be Farewell Chloe. And this will be our URL, so it'll appear like this where we send it to other people. Now, don't worry if it says that error that the URL is in use. That just means we need to make something more unique because it already exists in our system. So I'm going to say 2025. Perfect. Then we've got the message to our group. This is the blurb that will instruct people the occasion, what to do. Maybe you want to add a little note, so I'm going to add that in now. I've written my own message. However, I could choose the AI message writer, put in all the prompts, and it will also generate a message for me. But today I've written it myself. Then I'm going to select the end date. Now, the end date is not the date it will send to the person, as you as the organizer will do that manually. However, the end date closes off the collection and card, meaning no one will be able to sign it anymore or contribute money. It will be closed, and the next prompt will be for you to send it to the recipient and choose the gift. We recommend doing it 3 hours before you actually need it, just allowing the team to review it. But you can always do it the day before, and this date is always editable as well. You can always move it forwards or backwards. Now, you can ask people to contribute a specific amount or any amount. Today I'm going to choose any, but you could choose $10 per person or whatever the amount may be. Then I'm also going to allow people to sign without contributing, meaning it takes the pressure off. It doesn't force people to contribute. It's their option. We have many other options here if they apply to you, and also a place for a promo code. My next page will take me to the card and the design. So I can choose a category. Today we're doing farewell. I'll choose this dog one. And then here I've got a prompt to add a title. For instance, Ciao Chloe. And when I'm happy with it, I can change larger text, smaller text. I will click next. So the final page before we go live is a preview of what the group will see. This is the card we've chosen. This is the blurb, the message to the group we've written. It's the option to sign or sign and chip in. And this is what the inside of the card will look like, and these are the prompts. When I'm happy with it, I'll click publish and share. If I'd like to edit something, I'll click edit. The site will then prompt you to either create an account or sign in. If you have one, feel free to log in. If you need to create one, you can just follow these steps. Once you've signed in or made your account, the card and collection will load, and this is your track and manage page. Now, your track and manage page is where you will track and manage everything to do with the card and collection. Here, you'll be able to take the link, it copies it for you, and send it to invite people, or you can invite a group by sharing the link on any of these socials or your own email, or you can manually add emails. You can upload a CSV and Excel document. You can add previous invitees if you've done it before, or you can enter the email addresses and send it through our site. Now, if you're sending it to corporate or government emails, we recommend sharing it as a link from your own email. However, if you have personal emails, feel free to put them through here. You can always add more, and you can always send it to more people, and you can always share it as a link as well. Here are your settings where you can edit things you've set up. For instance, if you want to make it now an exact amount, if you'd like to change the title of the card, if you want to add any of these options, you can also delete your collection or card here. And if you change anything, press save. Here is where you can change the close date. You can close it immediately or you can update it anytime. And then you, of course, press save. And then if you click this edit your group card, not only will you be able to view your group card, you'll be able to edit things on the card as well, including messages. You can delete them, you can change the columns, how they present, and you can always download and print the card from here. So as people add their messages, it will appear, and so will more card pages. Here you can download your card, or you can share it as a link, and you can add a message through here, change the template through here, and change the columns too. For now, that's about all you should know about setting up your card and collection.